So intercessors must be planted in every corridor. And so what God does in miracle services is that he grants favor, he grants authority, he grants open doors, he grants healing. And I prophesy over somebody tonight, whatever affliction you came here with, be it bodily or circumstantial, it goes down tonight. Now hear this.